Hello everyone, my name is Akash Singh of class 11th. I am here to tell you about the places that we have to visit in Nagaland. Kohima, the capital of Nagaland, is one of the leading attractions in the state. Located at the height of 1,500 meters above the sea level, Kohima has picturesque views to offer. The top destinations in Kohima: Japfu Peak, Zhukav Valley, Shiloh Lake, State Museum, World War II Cemetery. Next is Dimapur, serves as the main entry point into Nagaland. This is also the commercial center of the state. The top destinations in Dimapur: Chumukedama Village, Dimapur Jain Temple, the Kachari Ruins, Nagaland Zoological Park. Next is Mokokchung, considered the cultural and intellectual capital of Nagaland, is one of the most important districts in the state. Destination places are Changkakong Range, Langpangkong Caves, Changtangya, Mokokchung Village. Another one is Waka. To have insight of rural life, you need to be at Waka, the homeland of Lotha tribe. Destination in Waka are Mount T, Taharang Valley, Bati Valley, Doyong River. Next is Mon, situated at 897 meters altitude above sea level. Mon is one of the most mystic places in Nagaland that boasts of rich tribal heritage. Tourist attractions in Mon are Veda Peak, Shanganu Village, Naganamare, Kui Village. Thank you everyone.